The secret power of a good night's sleep. In our busy modern world, it can be easy to think of sleep as a waste of time or a luxury we can't afford. We often stay up late to work, study, or be entertained. However, sleep is not just a period of inactivity. It is a fundamental biological need, just as important as eating, drinking, and breathing. While we are resting, our brains and bodies are incredibly active, performing essential tasks that are crucial for our physical health, mental sharpness, and emotional well-being. One of the most important jobs that happens during sleep involves our brain. Throughout the day, our brain takes in a huge amount of information. When we sleep, the brain works to process and organize this information, strengthening important memories and getting rid of unnecessary details. This is why a good night's sleep is so important for learning and problem solving. Furthermore, recent studies have shown that during sleep, the brain has a unique system that clears out toxic waste products that build up while we are awake. Without enough sleep, these toxins can remain, which can negatively affect our brain function. Sleep is also vital for our physical health. While we are asleep, our body goes into repair mode. It produces proteins that mend cell damage, and it releases hormones that help tissues and muscles grow and repair. Your immune system also relies heavily on sleep. During sleep, it produces substances called cytokines, which help the body fight infections and inflammation. If you don't get enough sleep, your immune system becomes weaker, making you more likely to get sick when exposed to a virus like the common cold. To get these benefits, most adults need between 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Creating a good sleep routine can make a big difference. This includes going to bed and waking up at around the same time every day, even on weekends. It also helps to create a relaxing bedtime ritual, like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Finally, avoiding screens like phones and TVs for at least an hour before bed can help your brain wind down, as the blue light they emit can interfere with your body's natural sleep signals. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your overall health.